Moza Moin Camera. So we now have a brand new competition to DJI Pocket 2, and this is Moin Camera from Moza. So Moin Camera has a very nice grip, and it is a palm-sized camera. And the most exciting thing about this camera is the big display, the massive 2.45-inch display, which is Super HD display touchscreen, and it is certainly very bright under the sun. You can see a huge difference in real-life example compared to DJI Pocket 2. Since this display is touchscreen, let's navigate through the menu and see what we can find there. So you can scroll down for the menu. For example, you have the display. I like going for the most bright display. And also this is spot metering, and this is the system menu where you can change a lot of different settings. And then you can flip the switch, and yeah, that's me. But you can also press this button 3 times to turn it around again. But if you press once real quick, then it will change into video, or if you press it again once quick, it'll change the photo taking feature. And you can always scroll up to change the menu manually. There's normal video, time-lapse video, slow motion, as well as photo, normal photo, and time-lapse photo, panorama, and photo burst. For panorama, for example, you can change a lot of settings here, either 1:3 or 3:3. And for video, you can also change into different settings such as what you can see here, but I like just keeping it at 4K. And you can also change the frame rate as you wish, all the way to 4K 60 frames per second. And at the side, you have your record, which you can review if you want. Double click and then you get the photo there. And at this side, you have all these measures where you can change the setting as you wish: shutter, white balance, ISO, EV, etc. But for today, I'm gonna just keep everything to auto. So now we have this camera ready, so let's go outside and test it out. So the very first thing, the tough test I'm gonna do, because this is from a camera gimbal maker, I'm gonna run and see whether it's a very stable footage or not.
I don't know why I'm running.
So I've reviewed the footage and it looks great. And just like any other 3-axis gimbal camera, you do have the option for tilt lock mode, FPV mode, and follow mode. When Moin Camera is facing a person, then it will always pick out the face and it will show the yellow box. Press the yellow box once and lock the face, and green square will appear, and then the camera will follow that green squared locked face all around.
smells so nice.
So just one thing to note about this camera, it's feeling a little hot. The camera is at 120 degrees angle, so far I'm sure you enjoy this wide angle view. And the camera is fixed at f2.2 and the lens sensor is 1/2.3 inch CMOS lens, and it's using Sony IMX378 sensor. Photos are at 12 megapixel, and I do find it is much better for landscape because it does have that wide angle prime lens. And of course this machine can take time lapse, as you can see in the menu, but motion time lapse I don't think is rolled out as yet. Maybe it will be updated in the next firmware update, but I'm using prototypes, so this time around I can't show you yet. And for slow motion, you do have an option of going at 4 times, 8 times. However, it is at 1080p, and just like any other competitors, I don't really like using slow motion at 1080p. I just like using 4K 60 frames per second and slow it down there. And the mic here is stereo, so it's really good if you want to capture the surrounding noise. However, if you want to just pick out the voice, the company said that you can use the external microphone. However, I could not yet figure out with just 1 or 2 mic adapters that I do have. So that's something that maybe the company can tell us more detail in the future.
So now we've mastered what's going on in the display, the button at the side on the body. It really helps to control everything else very simply with just a thumb.
And for Wi-Fi, it connects instantly and you can view, download all the files to your mobile phone. Okay, that's a lot of face of mine. You can also enjoy the real-time view from the camera. However, there's actually nothing in the background. So lastly, about the battery. So it does have 930 mAh. So actually, I've been spending a couple of days playing around with it and I did not run out of, battery life or anything. It's supposed to give enough juice for 145 minutes.
So today I had a really fun time playing with Moza Moin Camera, and I really think with its huge display, yes, you can see how huge the display is, you can consider it as one of the options for 3-axis gimbal mini camera. So I'll definitely come back with some other interesting gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!